Herbert Peabody and Worm's potted garden. Hey, it's Herbert Peabody and his neighbour Worm too. They're planning a fun activity. It's a potted garden. Woohoo! We fill the pots with crumbly soil and get our garden trailer ready. We wheel our pots to a sheltered spot. Worm makes sure to keep them steady. This crumbly soil is our first step. Now we make shallow rows for the seeds. Hi seeds, it's great to see you. This soil gives them their growing needs. We cover them gently with soil and give them a drink from our watering can. We make a sign to label our crop, to follow the potted garden plan. We cover with straw to keep moisture in. Now it's time for our next pot. Our potted garden is looking great. We've planted salad leaves in this spot. Our potted garden is done. Let's find some sunshine for the seeds this way. And we can't wait to see you on our next adventure day.